how to withdraw winnings from bet365. Now if you have got a certain amount of winnings on bet365 and then you would like to withdraw those winnings, it is actually quite very simple for us to do so. First of all, you launch the bet365 application, and this is the type of interface that we're going to be able to see. Now what we want to do is you want to log in first of all. So you can see the login button from the top right hand side. Here you can tap on login, enter your username and email and then password, and tap the login button to log in. After you log in, you have to tap the menu icon. So you'll find the menu icon right over here, or the profile icon. Then from there you have to select bank option and then select the option called withdraw. After you select withdraw, you have to choose a payment method, like you can use the same method you use to deposit the funds if available, or another approved option. And then from there you can simply enter the withdrawal amount, type in the amount that you wish to withdraw, and simply confirm your payment details to ensure the accuracy, and you can tap on withdraw to confirm your request. Now some of the processing time is for e-wallets. Normally it gets processed within 24 hours. For card or bank transfers, it will take 1 to 5 business days, and you must just make sure that your account is fully verified, which means KYC completed, to avoid withdrawal delays. I hope the video helped you out. If you have got any questions, feel free to leave them down below. Thanks for watching and see you in the next video.